Are you struggling with clutter in a small room? Imagine turning your empty walls into stylish storage without spending a fortune. Today, I'll show you how to build DIY wall shelves that are affordable, space-saving, and perfect for apartments, bedrooms, or even offices. This project is simple, effective, and adds both function and beauty to your space. Simple definition: wall shelves are horizontal surfaces mounted on walls that help you store or display items while saving valuable floor space. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Measure your wall and decide the size of your shelves. Step 2. Cut wooden boards to your chosen length. A common size is 24 inches wide by 8 inches deep. Step 3. Sand the boards to remove rough edges. Step 4. Apply paint, stain, or finish to match your room style. Step 5. Use a level to mark where the brackets will go on your wall. Step 6. Drill holes, insert wall anchors, and screw in the brackets. Step 7. Place the wooden board on top of the brackets and secure it with screws. Tools explained. You'll need a tape measure, pencil, saw, sander or sandpaper, drill, screws, wall anchors, metal or wooden brackets, and paint or stain for finishing. Quick tips. 1. Always use a level to keep shelves straight. 2. For small rooms, go vertical with multiple shelves instead of wide ones. 3. Use floating shelf brackets if you prefer a modern, bracket-free look. Cost comparison. Buying ready-made shelves can cost $40 to $100 per set. Building your own usually costs around $15 to $30 depending on the wood and brackets you choose. That's nearly 60% savings. Mini workflow. Measure, cut, sand, paint, mount brackets, secure the board, and enjoy your new storage space. Professional notes: choose solid wood like pine or oak for strength. If you're installing shelves in a bathroom or kitchen, apply a waterproof finish. And always check the wall type: drywall, concrete, or brick to use the right anchors. DIY wall shelves are budget-friendly, easy to build, and perfect for small spaces. With just a few tools and a little time, you can transform your walls into functional and stylish storage. Try building your own shelves this week and experience the difference. If this guide inspired you, share it with friends and start your DIY journey today.